has been a fundamental problem. Even though I have a good mic in this form, Blue Yeti, this is not really mobile and very big. So if I want to change the place of recording or move around, it's very difficult. I bought in a cheap Digitech wireless microphone. It's really, really horrible. One of the mics actually is damaged. So I have something interesting today which I purchased and I thought I'll want to unbox and review it. So this is one of the best mics, and I'm unboxing slash opening it right now. So this is the name of the product, DJI Mic 2. It has a 1 year warranty and it's kind of a complete sealed unit. Here's the details around it. I will try to zoom it in. So it's MRPing at 45,990, which is roughly 46,000 rupees. I got it at 37 on Amazon. It's probably the one of the best mics around. So I'm just gonna start the opening pretty quickly. So there's a lot of stickers on there. Like if you see, it's got a bunch of certifications, which is very, very interesting. And then there's some branding at the back and talks about there's one receiver. The package is supposed to have a receiver, shadow black into two transmitters, charging case, charging bag, clip magnets, phone adapter, mobile phone adapter, wind smurfs, camera cable, charging cable, and some documents, which is pretty neat. So yeah, I would want to keep this thing separate because this is kind of like a warranty. So it's a QR code as well, a bunch of stuff going in here. So yeah, now let's see, where does this open from? Okay, got it. I got it. Yes. So this has a sweet and slick back. It right off the bat, it looks feels premium. I am gonna just leave these stuff there and do a little bit of hope of ASMR. All right, now once you unbox it, it opens like this, which is not what I was expecting. And then here's the complete mic case. There's a bunch of silica gels in here. This is a wind muff. I'm not gonna touch that. I don't think I need a wind muff. This is another wind muff. Again, not gonna touch that. Uh, this is silica gel. I'll probably leave that there. Uh, this is the cable. Uh, this is another cable. So I'm not sure where the magnet is. Maybe the magnet is inside this. It's a hard plastic. It's not a very soft plastic. Oh, yeah. So, nope. This just has the dead cat, but it is very, very soft. I'm wondering where the magnet is. I don't see it in here. Is it inside this? Uh, yeah. So you have to press to unlock. There's a sticker here, so I'm gonna have to. This is actually heavy. The whole case is kind of heavy. I just put the sticker here, press it, and open it up. Yeah. So this looks really cool, premium. There's a bunch of stuff in here. So the magnet is actually inside, which is nice. And it looks really, really cool. So if you're watching in this cam, this is how it looks. It's pretty nice texture, sweet material, looks ultra premium. I'm not sure how fast it will be to quickly connect and pair it, but it's nice that it has most of the connectors in here. I don't think I'm gonna be needing the Apple one anytime soon, which is because I have iPhone 15 and Lightning is no longer there. So I'm just gonna put this back in the off. Just kind of put it back. All right, cool. The moment I took it out, it has a very nice tactile dial, so I can select the language. I'm guessing you just touch or set the dates. So what's today's date? Oh, it already has the date, which is great. Time is what time it is. It's so 13. Oh, I'll sync this up later. I'm just trying to. Yeah, cool. It's up. It's actually up. That's pretty much it. So what do I need to do to connect it to my phone? So what I'm gonna do is I might lose audio for a second, but it seems that this is connected. Oh yeah, it's connected. This is cool. So I'm just gonna take out a cable. I don't. Unfortunately, it doesn't have a Type C to Type C cable. So I'm going to plug this into Mac with the hope that Mac is able to recognize it. All right. So I do get that. Do you want to allow DJI technology wireless receiver to this Mac? And the moment I allow, it's there. And I do see a green button. So I'm gonna, the profile is actually not bad. I'll show you how it's actually great. I wouldn't say bad. So it looks much better than this. So this is what I had previously and much cheaper plastic and all of that. And this feels very, very premium. Don't think it will have that hanging issue so much, but it has a good substantial weight to it. So I'm gonna try and yeah, I had to confirm it here. So there was a button to confirm it, and the screen is pretty good. It was a good investment to buy this. So what I'm gonna do is put this closer. So yeah, it's speaking. Now I'm just gonna switch from Blue Yeti mic, and the audio that you're gonna now listen is. So the audio that you're now getting is from this mic, which is the DJI mic. So far in this video was just out of Blue Yeti. I'm not sure if there's significant difference. We'll try not to make any audio edits so that the voice comparisons and samples can be seen. Not able to do very good switching right now because I have some sort of a problem with OBS. Really, really need to fix that. And yeah, that's pretty much it in the video. So I hope you have this video has been different than the ones you used to. I really, really love the premium quality on this. This can just fit in a bag. So if I probably end up buying a Pocket 3 or something, I think the recording kit would be complete. Fits neatly in the palm of your hand. The package is really, really cute and nice and neat. There's another transmitter which you can. Let me see if I'll just take it out and see if it connects. See, the moment I took it out, it just connected. So if it's telling this, so I'll show you the levels here. So if you can see that I have only one connected, the moment I take this out, just changes to two. It's almost instantaneous. So there's no pairing lag, there's no pairing delay, anything like that. So it's pretty good audio or experience as well. The moment I put it inside, it just closes off. So yeah, super nice purchase. I would say yeah, it did cost it sent me back by about 37,000, but I was getting constant comments about audio and I looked at a bunch of them. There's great ones in the 10-15,000 category, something like the Lark M2, which is a very tiny mic, and a lot of people have commented for that. But I think I looked at a couple of reviews and realized that the noise suppression wasn't that great, and I'm yet to make a test on that for this mic, but let's see how this goes.